Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable charging reimbursement workflows with TripActions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable charging reimbursement workflows with TripActions, begin by logging into your TripActions account. Navigate to the admin dashboard. Select the settings option from the menu. Locate the expense reimbursements section. Click on the charging reimbursement workflows tab. Enable the charging reimbursement feature by toggling the switch to the on position. Next, configure the settings for reimbursement requests. Set the parameters for eligible expenses. Define the approval workflow for reimbursement requests. Add any necessary custom fields to tailor the workflow to your organization's needs. Assign roles and permissions to users involved in the reimbursement process. Save your changes and exit the settings menu. Test the workflow by initiating a sample reimbursement request. Monitor the status of the request through the admin dashboard. Review and approve the reimbursement requests as they come in. Ensure that all users are aware of the new charging reimbursement workflows. Provide training or resources for users to understand how to submit their requests. Regularly check the reimbursement reports for insights and adjustments. Keep the lines of communication open for any questions related to the new workflows. By following these steps, you can successfully enable charging reimbursement workflows with TripActions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.